to go into meditation without any technique. I will try. Let's try with me. No? Take some deep breath. Deep exhalation. Inhale. Sit comfortably. Be comfortable. You can take back rest. No need to sit like a Buddha or with crossed leg and Padmasana. No, sit in any posture. Be relaxed, very, very relaxed. You can take back support. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Face your palm towards ceiling. Open your fist and face your fist towards ceiling. Get ready to receive. Be ready to receive. Then we'll inhale. With me, you inhale. Long and deep breath. Long, slightly longer than normal breath. Inhale and then exhale through the mouth. No? Inhale through the nose, then open your mouth, exhale through the mouth, and exhale slightly longer than your inhalation. No? Exhale all carbon dioxide. Do it few times with me. Let's start. Be relaxed, close your eyes, face your palm towards the sky. Remember Osho, blessing will descend, shower upon you. You get ready to receive it. Inhale deep and long breath. Inhale. And exhale through your mouth. It can make sound slightly. When you exhale all your problems, all idea in your mind. Every idea is a problem. So throw away all the ideas, everything from your mind. When you inhale pure bliss, relaxation, happiness. You inhale, and when you exhale all the darkness of the mind, all the worries, all the problem. You exhale. No, exhale through your mouth and make sound like. Inhale through your nostril. In your own pace, you can do in your own pace, long and deep breath, and then exhalation. When you exhale, feel that you are exhaling all the thoughts of your mind. Your mind is becoming free from thoughts. Right and wrong. All thoughts are wrong. No? So all desire is wrong, all thoughts is wrong. Throw away everything when you exhale. Inhale pure bliss and exhales all idea of your mind. Deep total exhalation, so that throw away every drop of carbon dioxide from your body. And all thoughts of your mind. Make your mind free from thoughts, empty. Make empty space in your mind. So whatever idea comes to you, exhale. Your mind has become little more silent than what it was before. A silent mind is the most beautiful thing in this universe. A silent mind is a temple. When your mind is silent, you are God. You are divine. As long as there is a desire, mind will create some thought. So drop all desire, nothing to achieve, nowhere to go, just to enjoy this moment. Your mind will become silent. So come back from your head, come back to your heart. Because what we are going to do, you can feel only through your heart. You cannot understand. The Shakti path we are trying, will try, you cannot understand through your mind. Mind will create doubt, questions, capital question, big questions, no? So come back to your heart. Heart can understand, heart can love, and heart can feel love, and heart can feel grace. So come back from your head for just for 15 minutes. Uh, come back from your head to your heart. Again, you can go in your trouble compartment. Nobody will check you. Just for 15 minutes, make it allow it to relax. There your trouble compartment, always noisy compartment. You have hundreds of thoughts every minute, no? So come back to the heart, for just for a few minutes. There, nobody will steal your head. It will be there, and you can again go into your hell after the meditation. So come back to your heart, no? Come back to your heart. Feel your heart center. You can feel the love from your heart. When you breathe in, allow your breath to massage your heart slowly. No? When you inhale, your breath should massage your heart center, Anahata chakra. Heart is a better station than head, but it is not the best. We have a more peaceful center, more silent, and more blissful. That is your navel center. Heart is better than head to rest, and navel is the best. No? So slowly you transfer your attention, you come back to your navel center. Feel your navel center. Slightly below is the Swatisthana chakra, below the navel center, but you come to know navel center. No? Feel your navel center. Now breathe in and allow your breath to massage your navel center. Your inhalation should go up to the navel center and it should massage, it should touch the navel center, then you can exhale. So you will have to take more relaxed and deep breathing. Just do it for a few times. Deep inhalation, feel your navel center. It's a very easy technique to relax your mind. You feel your navel center and your breath should touch the navel center. When you breathe in, it should expand slightly sensation at navel center. When you exhale, it should contract. When you inhale, it should expand. Very slight movement, subtle movement. You have to be very, very sensitive to feel that subtle movement. So from heart come down to your navel center, and when you inhale, feel that your navel center is expanding slightly. Feel the sensation there, movement there. Feel the slightest movement at your navel center. When you breathe in, there's a slight movement. When you breathe out, there's slight movement. Your breath should touch your navel center. You are a seasoned meditator, you can do it. People who have not done meditation, for them it will be difficult. But you are doing meditation, it should not be difficult for you. Now your heart was below your head, but now you are the farthest distance from your head. You are that navel center, so your mind get rest, silent mind. Feel your navel center, feel the expansion, live at your navel center, meditate at your navel center. I will want to again repeat, when your mind is silent, you are in meditation. Meditation is not doing. When you are in non-doing state, physically relaxed and silent, and mentally also relaxed and silent, you are in meditation. Very simple. You have not to do anything, not chant a mantra. You have not to do any pranayam, not a sirsasana. No. Just make your mind silent. Drop all desire, your mind will become silent automatically. Desire creates thought. If you drop your desire, there will be no thought in your mind. So come back to when you are born, you are connected with your mother at your navel center. That's the center of life. A center, when you are navel center, your mind automatically becomes silent. So after this, we'll do a Shaktipat and meditation joined together. No, will do a new experiment, but for few minutes, just rest at your navel center. That's your meditation for this satsang. No, just feel your navel center. Be there. No, feel. Your mind should be there. Your total attention should be there. Your breath should touch your navel center. I will be silent for 3 minutes. You just meditate and feel your navel center. You will become. Your mind will become empty of all thoughts.